Ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen. I hope everybody's here. Thank you all for tuning in with me to the stock of the party, which is going to be called Stash Party. All right. Now, I told you all I'm going to take you all on the back end on how to get to this, and voila. Now, what's the steps on how I got here, and what is the Stash Party? All right. So let's go ahead and rewind. Again, my name is Michael Newsom with Need Apple Wealth, and I'm going to show you how to gain new dividends on what? Free stock. All right. And along with that, you put more money into great stocks that you have knowledgeable of putting your funds in, then it's going to grow great as well. So stay tuned. All right. So what we're going to go ahead and do, go ahead and go to google.com. All right. Now, if you want to know what Stash Party is pretty much a whole group of people who comes together, and by the volume of how many people who invites certain type of people who's investing inside the party, the pool gets bigger. All right. So as I'm gonna go back, as you can see, the Stash, you see party power, happy hour with those co-workers you barely know. So currently right now, you see it's growing. We're up to 9,200 people that's in the party right now, and it's continuing to keep growing. All right, so I need to go ahead and log in to get my stock. All right, so let's go ahead and log in. All right, perfect. So now you actually have 57 minutes and 40 seconds to be able to log inside to get part of this. Now, what free stock that we're going to be getting today? If you don't know, if you just be like, hey man, I just got the buzz, and let me go ahead and just log in. You don't have to go ahead and do the research on getting a free stock, okay? that's free money, all right? So go ahead and just, as of right now, I've never heard of this company before. So what I'm going to go ahead and do, I just see the symbols is VGT, all right? Again, VGT. So one simple place that you can go, I go to a different spot, but I'm just going to show you something very simple. Let's just go to Yahoo Finances, all right? All right, perfect. Let's go ahead and click on right there. All right, so then you're going to go ahead and go to finance.yahoo.com. All right, from there, you're going to go ahead and go to this area up here. You're going to go ahead and type in VGT. All right. VGT. All right, and click on this little magnifying glass right here. And it's going to go ahead and tell me about this company, all right? If I'm going to go ahead and get a free, and let me pause right here. So a lot of people think that, you know, when you're investing in stock, that it's just, okay, it's just a share. It's way more important than that, all right? You own a piece of that company. Listen to what I said. You are getting a piece of a company. So when that company actually ends up running at 100% and they run out of space of shares, that means that pocket is full and they're not taking any more investors. That means that volume must be going great for it to be full, and they're going to make a lot of money. Okay. So let's go back what we were speaking about. So looks like this stock, if I'm looking at this clearly, it looks like this stock is $370.63 per one stock. Okay. Now let me go ahead and put a claimer out there. You're not gonna get rich in just thinking that they're gonna give me one share and I got first $370.63. No, that's not the case. They're gonna give you a piece of that share, but guess what? You didn't invest anything but nothing but your time. You can do this from your phone, which I can show you how to do that as well. Along with that, you can do this on a laptop. It's just a part of how do you take action in life. Are you one of these type of people who just want to take action because you see somebody else do it? Or could you take action with somebody giving you good words of encouragement and knowledge, and you take self-discipline to learn about it every single day and become great at it? I believe that not everybody should be just stagnant to one skill. I think you should learn multiple skills, so that way you're well-rounded on all areas, and know how to take care of yourself, know how to do great things. I mean, you may not have the funds to know how to do it. So guess what? You may be able to know how to do it yourself, or be able to build to something to a caliber and then have somebody else to take over to help you as well. So there's a lot of reasons for you to gain knowledge. Just don't gain knowledge of just little stuff that you want to know at that moment. Go ahead and gain more knowledge to what you want to know in the future. All right. So as going back on topic, we're still in a party. We're 53 minutes and 4 seconds left inside of it. And if you look right then there clearly, yes, you see it. It's 32,054 people inside this party right now. So the idea of it is the more of the people who's inside the stash party, and you do have to have a stash account, by the way. The more people who comes inside here, the more weight of this payout is going to be. All right. Now, don't think that this is 13,912. All right. That's not what you're going to get. The volume is totally different on the stash party. So if you want to get more information on that, you feel free to go ahead and Google it, or you can go to stash.com, or go to their Twitter, and they'll definitely give you that information right then and there. Or you can ask them ask them in the comments area, and they'll definitely get back with you as soon as possible. All right. So if you like this information, all these gems that I'm actually dropping, hit the thumbs up and press the subscribe button, and don't forget to press that bing bell and go ahead and get my notifications, so that way you never miss a beat. All right. Now, the next thing is, now I could have pressed claim stock long time ago, but I just want to show you how this party is going to continue to keep growing. All right. So if you want to go ahead, don't forget, once you log in and this is ready, if you don't claim your stock while you're in the party, I repeat, once you're in the party, you still have one more step. You have to go ahead and stay in here as it builds, and go ahead and claim your stock. All right. Now, within that being said, I'm going to go ahead and click on claim stock, so that way I can get an email sent. And by the time, I want to say, they normally state that it can be 24 to 72 hours until you can get the stock. But most of the time I've been seeing they've been moving pretty fast, and I've been getting it less than 24 hours. All right. So let's go ahead and click on claim stock. I'm telling you, very, very simple. All right. Now, voila, look at that. You're stocked up. Once the party is over, we'll email you about your stock reward. You can earn more, spend with your stock back card, and get stock on us. And then you guys have more information about it. All right. So as it currently right now, it's probably been maybe 3 minutes for me talking since I just showed you that. Now we at 38,732 people. All right. Very, very cool. Now I'm going to go ahead and log inside my email address, and I'm going to show you exactly what it will look like once the party is over, so that way you can see what the email, well, what to look out for once you receive the email. All right. Stay tuned. All right, perfect. Now that I went ahead and logged inside of my email address, now I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly what it looks like once you went ahead and scored that stock. All right. So you'll get an email that says you scored some bonus stock at the stash party. Okay. And then at that moment, remember I told you where I think it had like 19,000, things of that sort. That's not exactly what it's going to get, or that $370 what the share is worth. Is you getting a piece of it. So just I got a piece of Nike for free. What? Come on. All right. If you want to be on a road to 100K, you have to learn this knowledge and learn how to do it correctly. Position yourself in the correct area and move forward, and you're going to get it. All right. So let's go ahead and go back to this party. All right. All right. So it's 41 minutes and 52 seconds left. All right. So thank you all for still tuning in with me, because all the people who stayed with me through this whole message that I'm trying to tell you today, you're gaining great knowledge. And if you're gaining great knowledge, go ahead and press the thumbs up. Along with that, don't forget to press the bell, so that way you will never miss a beat. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and continue to keep dropping gems. All right. Now, this is something way totally different. This is totally side note. Now, I'm just going to show you just a little bonus of it. Please excuse my kids in the background. As you can hear them, they're having fun. So that's all we do in this house, have fun. All right. So I'm going to show you a sneak peek of this right here. And I'm just going to stop. Net Capital. All right. I'm pretty sure you're interested on what, Mike? What is this about? Well, guess what? You have to position yourself in the correct area, learn that great knowledge, and be able to make action do. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and step back. I'm going to let you all soak this information in. Go ahead and don't forget to get inside that stash party. If you don't got stash party. All right. Perfect. All right. Voila. And then at that moment, just you'll see the hashtag. So then at that moment, go ahead and click on that. Just make sure it says Twitter. All right, the keywords, make sure that says Stash Stock Party. All right, and they keep it updated, so you won't miss a beat. And then if you have friends and family, if you all doing this together, then I'm pretty sure that you all will continue to keep reminding each other on Stock Party. What I normally do is I made this a homepage icon, which I'll show you on a mobile version on how to make it an app icon, so that way you can just click onto it and just to see when times is available. Then go to your calendar, go ahead and set that time, or go to your alarms and put it on there. And for the name, put Stash Party, so that way when that alarm goes off, you know to go ahead and click into your Stash Party and get some new dividends. All right, so as of right here, we're partying every day this week. So when you actually have information like this, listen to it. We're having a party every day this week, which means that you're going to get a free stock every day this week, as long as you log in. Now, by me teaching you this, yes, I missed out on Monday, I missed out on Tuesday, and also missed out on Wednesday. So today's Thursday. I was able to get it today, but I've been working on all type of other things, but there's no excuses. It's free money, you got to go ahead and get them. All right. But I'm just letting you know that if I'm not able to get to it, that's not saying that you're able to get to it. So that's the reason why I want to drop these gems, drop this information, so that way I just educate everybody that's out here who's willing to listen, willing to learn, and willing to actually just hear somebody out and just do your own due diligence. Okay, I can state that. Always do your own due diligence on anybody who informs you about something or you about to invest in anything. Make sure that you do your own due diligence. Make sure it's correct. Make sure everything makes sense. And then from there, move and make action. All right. So always just, again, look inside the Twitter of Stash. They always going to remind you of when the party's going to drop. All right. Thank you very much for tuning in with me. My name is Michael Newsom with Need Apple Tech, with Need Apple Wealth, is signing out.